Sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds are the fruit of the Helianthus annuus plant, famously known for their high concentration of vitamin E. These seeds contain a potent combination of selenium and vitamin E, both of which act as powerful antioxidants that reduce inflammation in the body. They have a firm, fibrous shell protecting a soft, nutty kernel. They feature a savory, oily, and rich flavor profile. Their best use is as a salad topper, in breads, granolas, or consumed salted. They are incredibly calorie-dense. The key point is that just a small handful of sunflower seeds can provide nearly 50% of the daily recommended intake of vitamin E. Eggs, typically from chickens, are famously known as the gold standard for high-quality protein. They provide all 9 essential amino acids in the exact ratios required by the human body for muscle repair and synthesis. An egg consists of the albumin, or white, which is primarily protein, and the yolk, which contains the majority of the fat, vitamins, and minerals, including choline, a vital nutrient for brain health. Its best use is in nearly every form of cooking: boiled, poached, scrambled, or as a functional ingredient in baking. Eggs are biologically complete. The key point is that eggs provide a bioavailability of protein that is difficult to replicate with plant-based sources alone. Green tea. Green tea is made from the unoxidized leaves of the Camellia sinensis plant, famously known as one of the most potent sources of natural antioxidants. Unlike black tea, which undergoes full oxidation, green tea is steamed or pan-fired shortly after harvesting to preserve its chemical profile. It is rich in catechins, specifically epigallocatechin gallate, or EGCG, which are compounds that protect cells from damage. It has a grassy, slightly bitter, and astringent flavor profile. Its best use is as a brewed beverage, in culinary matcha preparations, or as a natural flavoring agent. Green tea is scientifically linked to improved brain function and metabolic rate. The key point is that the preservation of its natural catechins is what separates green tea from all other tea varieties. Walnuts. Walnuts are the fruit of the Juglans regia tree, famously known for their distinct brain-like physical structure. They are one of the few plant-based foods that provide a significant amount of alpha-linolenic acid, which is a type of omega-3 fatty acid. Walnuts have a firm, crunchy texture and a mild, earthy, slightly sweet flavor. They are physically characterized by a hard shell protecting a wrinkled, two-lobed kernel. Their best use is in salads, baking, pestos, or eaten raw as a dense nutrient snack. Walnuts are unique because they contain higher antioxidant activity than most other common nuts. The key point is that the regular consumption of walnuts is linked to structural improvements in cardiovascular health. Avocado. Avocado is the fruit of the Persea americana tree, famously known as nature's butter due to its high fat content. Unlike most fruits that are primarily carbohydrates, the avocado is rich in monounsaturated fats, specifically oleic acid. It features a creamy, smooth texture and a subtle, nutty, and slightly vegetal flavor. It is a vital source of potassium, containing more of the mineral per gram than a banana. Its best use is in spreads, salads, smoothies, or as a base for sauces like guacamole. Avocado is unique because its healthy fat content actually aids in the absorption of nutrients from other vegetables. The key point is that the healthy fat profile of the avocado is what makes it a metabolic asset rather than a simple caloric intake. Blueberries. Blueberries are small perennial flowering plants of the genus Vaccinium, famously known for their deep, dark pigment. This color is caused by anthocyanins, a class of flavonoids with powerful antioxidant effects. They have a firm skin with a juicy, sweet, and slightly tart interior. Blueberries are low in calories but exceptionally high in vitamin C, vitamin K, and manganese. Their best use is in breakfast bowls, baking, smoothies, or consumed fresh. They are studied extensively for their potential to reduce oxidative stress and DNA damage. The key point is that the intensity of the blue pigment is a direct indicator of the concentration of protective anthocyanins within the fruit. Chickpeas. Chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans, are a legume of the genus Caesar, famously known as a staple of the Mediterranean and Middle Eastern diet. They are a dense source of both plant-based protein and dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and blood sugar regulation. They have a buttery texture and a mild, nutty flavor that absorbs surrounding spices exceptionally well. They are commonly sold dried or canned. Their best use is in hummus, falafel, soups, stews, and roasted as a crunchy snack. Chickpeas are slow digesting, which provides sustained energy. The key point is that the combination of high fiber and high protein makes chickpeas an exceptionally effective food for appetite control. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is made by straining regular yogurt to remove the whey, famously known as the thicker, creamier alternative to standard dairy. This straining process results in a product with significantly higher protein content and lower sugar levels than regular yogurt. It is a natural source of probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that support a healthy microbiome. It features a thick, velvety texture and a tangy, tart flavor. Its best use is as a base for breakfast, a healthier substitute for sour cream, or a protein-rich snack. Greek yogurt also contains high levels of calcium. The key point is that the straining process does more than change the texture. It fundamentally alters the nutritional density of the dairy.